everyone! Today I want to share with you a recipe of one of my favorite cookies, pineapple tart cookies. And this time I'm going to add pandan flavor to it, so let's get started. First, let's prep the filling. So first you weigh the pineapple tart filling. Each pineapple tart filling is 9 grams. Then roll the paste into a ball. You can buy this from the store, or if you want to make this from scratch, I actually have a full tutorial. You can find the link to the tutorial in the description box below. This recipe makes about 48 to 50 pineapple tarts, so prepare the same amount of filling for that. Once the filling is done, let's make the dough. First, let's mix the dry ingredients. Here I have cake flour, cornstarch, milk powder, custard powder, baking powder, pandan powder. I'm using this freeze-dried pandan powder. I don't recommend using essence or anything in liquid form because it's going to affect the texture of the biscuit. Then mix until it's well combined. Butter in, icing sugar. Beat on high speed until it becomes fluffy and light pale yellow color. So you can see that the butter has turned light pale yellow and it's more fluffy. Now add the egg yolk and half a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla essence. Mix again on high speed until combined. Add the evaporated milk. Scrape the sides so that it can combine better. Again, high speed and beat until combined. Okay. Now we're going to use a spatula to fold in the dry ingredients instead of using the mixer. Mix just until the flour is combined with the butter mixture. And as you can see now, there's no more visible dry flour, then you can stop here. Now another important thing to note is you need to make sure that you're able to handle the dough while using the cookie press. So pick up a small piece of dough and then just roll it on your hand, and it shouldn't stick to your fingers. If you find that it is still sticky, probably the egg you're using is slightly bigger than mine, so there's a bit too much liquid, then just add a bit of flour. Or you might have undermixed the dough, then just mix it a bit more and see whether it comes together. If not, then just add a bit more flour to it. Then transfer the dough onto a cling wrap. Okay. And then place it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. And now we're going to use a cookie press to shape the dough. This cookie press that I have makes medium-sized pineapple tarts. It's got a pattern here. You can find this online. I placed a link in the description box below. Make sure the flower pattern is facing downwards while you press the dough. Take a piece of dough and shape it into a long shape like this. It makes it easier to place it into the cookie press. Then stuff the dough into the cookie press. Don't stuff too much, as it will be very difficult to press out the dough later. Press the plunger and pull it towards you. Just a quick tip, if you want to get a nice straight strip, apply even pressure and move in a smooth continuous motion. This part's not very tidy, so I'll remove it. Place the pineapple filling on top. Use a scraper and gently lift the end. And then just fold the biscuit dough over the pineapple filling. Cut it here. Okay, the last piece, done. I'm currently preheating the oven to 170 degrees, and while waiting, I'm gonna apply the egg wash. I'm just using egg white, the leftover egg white, to apply the egg wash. Try to use a soft brush so that you don't damage the pattern at the top. Now I'm gonna bake this at 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes, or until the top of the biscuit turns golden brown. And once the top part of the biscuit turns brown, golden brown in color, it's actually done. Okay, the pineapple tart is actually done. Okay, can't wait to try this. Now let it rest until it reaches room temperature. Okay, now nudge the biscuit slightly at the side to release it from the base. Okay, I can't wait to try this. This is so yummy. The biscuit is crumbly and it goes really well with the sweet, chewy pineapple filling. The pandan is very subtle, but overall I think it's really yummy. I just wanted to infuse a bit of the pandan flavor and to get the green color for Hari Raya celebration. To my friends who are celebrating Hari Raya, Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, and I hope you have a wonderful celebration this year. See you next time. For more exclusive and easy recipes, feel free to join my Patreon at patreon.com/RuyiAsianRecipes or my YouTube membership. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.